Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off download option on TikTok videos. So what you will have to gonna do, you will just simple open the TikTok app on the Android device, or make you have iPhone so you can also open iOS. So when it's open, you will just bottom the right is profile icon and go to the settings of TikTok. So when the settings are open, you will just click to the privacy and scroll down a little bit, and you will see the download option. So you will have to just click to the download option. So when it's open, you can may turn it off this button, so video download, so you will just turn it off. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.